Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing great. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. I'm back with another CVS video and I have a little update on the spend 20 get $5 back on one of the items, so that way you cannot make the mistake that I made. The first deal I have here is when you buy 2 Irish Spring, the 20-ounce body wash or soft soap body wash, 20 ounces, you get $4 back. I will pick up one of the soft soap. It's priced at $6.59. And I'll be adding one of the Irish Spring body wash and it's priced at $7.49. These 2 items are going to total me for $10.08 and I'll be using a $2.50 digital coupon for the soft soap and also another $2.50 for the Irish Spring. With the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $9.08. I will pay that and get $4 back, making both items $5.08 or $2.54 each. This transaction worked out very well. My 2 coupons applied and took off $5. I also have a $3 off your entire purchase CRT that I used with this transaction. Use $5 extra care box and I got back my $4 for buying 2 of the products. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $5 back and I'll be picking up the Gain dryer sheets on sale for $5.49. I will add the Charmin Ultra Song, the 6 mega rolls, on sale for $8.99. And the last item I'll add to this deal will be the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. And these 3 items are going to total $20.47. For the Charmin, I have a $3 coupon that I printed from P&G website. And for the Dawn Power Wash, we have a $2 coupon in our app. The Gain dryer sheet, we also have a $1 coupon in our app that will apply to it. With these coupons, it's going to drop it down to $14.47. I will pay that and get $5 back, making all 3 items $9.47 or $3.16 each. I have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT that printed at the end of my receipt last week that I'll be adding with this deal. The next deal I'll pick up will be the buy 2 get $5 back on Burt's Bees facial care or hand and body lotion. You can see my store is almost wiped out, but we still have the detoxifying charcoal sheet mask priced at $3.19. That's the cheapest item. I'll pick up 2. That will total $6.38. I don't have any coupon for this, but this will be a very good filler item for me since I'm using the 10 off 17x purchase CRT. But by itself, I will pay the $6.38 and get $5 back, making each item 69 cents or $1.38 for both. Eucerin lotion is part of the spend 20 get $10 back and this is a limit of 1. I'll pick up 3 of the intensive repair lotion, the 5 ounces, priced at $6.79 each. And these 3 items are going to total $20.37. I will use 3 of the $2 coupon we got from the 1022 savings set. It's going to drop it down to $14.37 and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items $4.37 or $1.46 each. The last deal to complete this 10 off 70 will be the CoverGirl. It's on spend 20 get $7 back and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79. I'm doing this deal this way because I want to stay within the 98% rule for the $20. That way this will be a money maker. And I'll add the mascara price at $8.29. This will total me $19.87 and that's within the 98% rule. And I'll be using 3 of the $3 coupon we got from the 1022 savings set. And I also have my $4 CRT from last week. All these coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $6.87 and I'll get $7 back, making all 3 items free and a 13-cent money maker. I'm going to explain why I want to stay within the 98% rule for this CoverGirl deal. Since I'm using the 10 off 70 next purchase CRT and I'm using this CoverGirl as a filler item to get to my 70, I don't want the $10 to go into this CoverGirl. I want the $10 to go into other deals I'm doing. I'm explaining this for newbies, anybody that's watching this video that is still trying to learn how to save more when you have a threshold CRT. I hope I made it clear enough. I needed an extra $1.05 to get to 98% rule to use my 10 off 70. So what I did was pick up one of the fruit snacks on sale for $1.99. I don't have any coupon for that, but I just added it. That way I can use my 10 off 70. And this transaction had a little hiccup, and this is what I was talking about in my introduction in this video. The game dryer sheet I picked up, although it was in the right spot with the tag, but it wasn't included. But when I checked the ad, it was supposed to be included in the deal. But when I checked out, I should have noticed because my subtotal was higher than expected. And when you look at my receipt, you can see it was priced at $10.49. It didn't drop down to the sale price of $5.49. Every other thing worked out well. All the coupons are applied. I used the userine coupon in the app instead of one of the ones I showed you guys. It's still the same because it's still the $2 value. I used $31.99 extra care box to pay for this. Paid $7.09 out of pocket. I didn't get a $5 back for spend 20 because the gain did not track. And for the Burt's Bees, I got my $5 back. Got $10 back for spend 20 for the userine and the $7 back for the CoverGirl. After I checked my receipt and I found out what happened, what I did was return the 3 items I bought for the spend 20 get $5 back, and I was refunded $12.93 extra care box. This transaction still worked out well for me because after the refund, these whole 9 items still ended up costing me just $4.15 or 46 cents each. The last deal I picked up is on Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on the deal of spend 15, get $6 back, and it's a limit of 1. I picked up the Instant Age Rewind Perfector, priced at $14.79, and that's within the 98% rule. All I need to spend to get the $6 back is $14.70. I will use the $3 instant CRT we received last week, and we also received another one this Sunday. I have these 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT that I'll be adding to this transaction, and we all have another $2 digital coupon that will apply to this deal. With the coupon and the CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $3.79. I will pay that and get $6 back. And I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1. That will make this product free and a $4.21 moneymaker. The checkout for this transaction was very simple. All my coupon and the CRTs came off. I ended up using $3 extra care box, paid 79 cents out of pocket, and I got my $6 back. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $2 back for buying this, making this product free and a $4.21 moneymaker. Thank you all for watching my video and coming back to support me every time. I just want to let you all know that I truly appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.